Need more time to file your federal income tax return? IRS Form 4868 lets you request an automatic extension, but please note it only extends the time to file, not the time to pay any taxes owed. To avoid penalties and interest, make sure you pay the estimated tax due. Let's walk through Form 4868 and show you how easy it is to file for an extension. First, start with your personal information. Enter your full name, social security number, or individual taxpayer identification number, and current address, just as it appears on your tax return. If you're filing jointly, be sure to include your spouse's details too. Now let's move to the next section, your tax liability and payment details. On line 4, enter the total estimated tax liability for the year. On line 5, enter the total tax payments made so far, including any withholding and estimated tax payments. On line 6, subtract line 5 from line 4 to determine any outstanding balance. And then if you're submitting a payment with the extension, enter the amount of that payment on line 7. If you're a US citizen or resident currently living abroad, check the box on line 8. And if you're filing on behalf of a deceased spouse, check the box on line 9. Once completed, Form 4868 can be submitted electronically or mailed to the IRS. E-filing is actually the method recommended by the IRS because it ensures faster processing, reduces errors, and gives you immediate confirmation of the receipt. Express Extension makes it simple to file Form 4868 in minutes. Avoid IRS rejections and late filing penalties by submitting your extension request today. Go to expressextension.com now and easily file your Form 4868.